What's up guys, welcome back to the BOLT Motorsports YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Rango from WIKD Tuned and we're installing this KW adjustable spring kit on a 2024 BMW M2. Rango, why would somebody want to go with this kit?
That's a great question, Jack.
This is a height adjustable spring kit that will allow you to customize the stance of your vehicle, giving you the ability to lower your center of gravity to enhance handling, whether you're just cornering at the track or just running late to work.
So what's the difference between this and your standard coilover kit?
Editor, take it away. As you can tell, the KW adjustable spring kit is only a fraction of the price and won't break the bank, all while retaining that sweet German engineered adaptive suspension. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Adjust height, improve handling, save money. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to BOLT Motorsports, and ring that bell for more killer content.